fence has gone. I wouldn't hit it through that gate very easy. Yeah, it definitely makes a massive difference with tyres that grip. It was a bit sketchy the other day when I went out on them Schwalbe marathons, who were pretty scary. Yep, riverbank's washed away here. Oh, I better get back across there. Oh, a bit heat. A bit heat. Oh, it's windy. Heading west is the windy way. I need to be heading the opposite way. But I've got a few miles to do west first before I can head back east. Just going to follow the river right round as far as I can. Bike's gonna need a really good clean when I get back. Give it a good test anyhow, good off-road test. And I've whacked the pedal assist up to 70% because of the to counteract the wind. When you get out the wind, you can fairly zip along. Oh yes. Yeah, definitely feel a lot safer with these tyres on. I can feel the back end slipping and sliding, but it's just slides till it finds its cellar grip. Oh yes. Oh, snatch on them gears then. Yeah, the bike's going to need a good old wash. It's absolutely caked underneath. Had a bit of rain last night, so the trails are a bit damp, but makes for an interesting ride. But I'm going to carry further on, follow the river as far as I can. I think there's quite a few bits where there's like kissing gates I can't get through, so I'll try my best and see how far we get. Hopefully get about 10 or 12 mile in, but it's forecast to absolutely chuck it down this afternoon, so I thought I'd get out first thing, as I say, and I've changed the tyres. Making a whole lot of difference for the off-road bit anyhow. They'll be alright for some of them tyres, but come the winter they're just, well, especially when you go off-road. Right, let's bash on. It's a bit soft around here. Whoa. A bit snaky, a bit sketchy. That's that viaduct I was trying to get up the other day, with no joy, still closed. guess I'll be pushing up here. I won't be riding up these. Way was I cycling up those? Very steep. Anyhow, back on the off-road section, following the river. See how far I'll get. Oh, what do we reckon? Can we get down here? Of course we can. Oh. Off ski. Up to the side maybe. Oh, slip. Oh, this is the tricky bit though. Right, my bike won't go through there. So, over the fence. And strangely, there's no fence here, so problem solved. Let's continue. Kissing gate. Someone's got the fence down. Alright, another downhill section here of the old bike. I'll get down here. Oh no, that is quite steep. Let's have a laugh, eh? I'll ever be on my ass. Oh, thorns everywhere. Oh, easy boy, easy. Oh, he made it just. Not so bad now in the open country. The river's down below, but I think there's another stile coming up. A few hundred yards. We'll see what that one's like. Yeah, just. And soft mate. Yeah, big enough for a bike though. That's how they all should be, like that. Right, I don't know if you can see, but right over in the distance, well, I live over that way and I've followed the river sort of all the way around, meanders round. Now I'm going to head for a track over there and hopefully I've crossed that side somewhere. Back off the road again, get off that road. And this looks a tight style lot, very tight. Very. Right, this way for us, but that was tricky. I had to lift over the last two stiles, so we're tiny. But, luckily this e-bike kit is not too heavy when it's on your bike, so you can do that type of thing. The old one I had, I would never have been able to lift it over the fence. See how far I get before the farmer says you can't come down here. Let's see. Right, off road. Again, it gets a bit clarty down here. Last time I was down here was the summer. It was a lot drier. I think it was still clarty, but not as bog. Right, so we've got going again. Yeah, once you get out that soft stuff, the speed up. It doesn't get any drier. Real world conditions for testing anyhow. Oh, bog. Keep down. Found the wind as well. It's a swamp. Get into it. But it is what it is. Right, we managed to go over that stile. It's definitely a workout. I'm trying to do most of it off-road. Obviously I've got to use the roads to get to certain bits. Right, under the bypass. We're on the opposite side of the river now. And another stile coming up. Let's see what this one's like. So we were up there about 20 minutes ago, underneath that far arch, and back through here. As you can see, the clouds have descended, and well, rain is forecast, so let's keep going this way. Just gonna thread your way through. There you go. I'll just lift out with this one. Yeah, it's well monkey. Alright, let's carry it. I'm back on the trail again. This time in the woods, and it's fairly slippy. Oh, it's clarty. Oh, aye, aye, aye. They've been storms. Yeah, right, that's where. Okay, that's us back, and as you can see, everything is caked underneath everything, so a good wash is in order. But just to summarise, I left on 99% battery. I am down to just under 60, 58.5. I have pretty well hammered it, put big heavy tyres on. I've been in windy conditions, so I've done 12 mile I've done, so I would say you'll get 25 riding it pretty hard like I did. I mean, yeah, I'll give it a good hammer, and you've seen that I've been off the road and everything, so definitely a good test. And yeah, it worked a treat, as it normally does. So yeah, a clean is in order. Okay, so yeah, it was a good test. I'll give it a good ride out. You know, it was pretty tough going in certain bits. Most of it was, I would say, 90%, 80%, 85% was off-road. As you've seen, it was pretty boggy and muddy and clarty, so it's heavy going in that stuff. But yeah, with the decent grippy tyres on, it definitely made a difference, because from the other day when I was out with them Swalby ones on, wasn't getting any traction. I was nearly on my backside a few times. But yeah, now the job of cleaning it, ready for the next time. So thanks for watching, catch it out sometime soon.